Hello and welcome back to Neethu's Nest. Today I'm going to make a papaya kichidi, which is a curd based vegetarian dish usually served as a side dish for Kerala feast called Sadya, especially for the Onam. So without any delay, let's see how to make this. First, to a clay pot, add the papaya, some water, turmeric powder, salt, and chilli powder. Mix this well. Cover and cook this for about 10 minutes. By the time the papaya cooks, let's make the coconut paste. For that, to a blender you need to take some coconut and cumin seeds and blend it to a fine paste. Then to that you need to add some mustard seeds and give it a mix. Make sure the mustard seeds are crushed. After 10 minutes, you can open the lid. You can mash the papaya with the spoon, and to this you can add the ground coconut paste. Now mix this well and cook it until the raw smell of the coconut goes. Make sure you keep this on low flame. Meanwhile, to a saucepan, add some coconut oil, mustard seeds, dried red chillies, and some curry leaves to make the seasoning. Now give the papaya mixture a good stir and add the seasoning to the papaya mixture and mix this well. Now you can switch off the flame. Now allow this to cool slightly so that we can add the curd to this. If you're adding the curd when it is hot, it will become curdled. So we need to cool this down a bit. Now stir this well and mix this thoroughly. Now our papaya kichadi is ready to be served. Now you can transfer this to a serving bowl. Now moving on to the next recipe, we are going to make a lemon and chilli pachadi. To a saucepan, add some water, some salt and some turmeric powder and let this come to a boil. Once it starts boiling, to this you can add 2 lemons. Make sure it is ripe and yellow in color. If you add the green ones, you might get a bitter taste for this dish. After 3 to 4 minutes, you can remove the lemon from the saucepan and allow this to cool down completely. Now you can see that the lemons have cooled completely and they are soft. Now cut these lemons and make it into small bits using a knife or scissors. To this you can add grated ginger, green chilies chopped, and some salt. Make sure you add a generous amount of salt and mix this well. Now cover this and keep this overnight so that the bitterness of the lemon will get drained. Now if there is any excess juice of the lemon in this mixture, you can remove it. Now to this you need to add about 1/4 cup of coconut milk, which is very thick, and give it a good mix. Now to this you can add the beaten curd, which is also thick and creamy, and mix this well. You can add the amount of curd depending upon the consistency you want. Now to this you can add 1 tablespoon of sugar and give it a good mix. Now for the seasoning, you can do the same seasoning what you did for the papaya kichadi. Now add the seasoning to the lemon and chilli pachadi with what you have made. So our lemon and chilli pachadi is ready. So friends, please do try both these dishes for this Onam and let me know your feedbacks in the comments below. Wishing all of you a very happy Onam. Be healthy and stay safe.